A perfect fit for family households, this electric cooker from Beko has a double oven design with an integrated grill and 4-zone ceramic hob. Complete Clean combines grease-catching catalytic liners and steam cleaning to both scorch grease and debris and soften stubborn dirt. Easily keep the cavity spotless and spend more time on what matters. With the fully programmable LED display, you can start cooking at a time that works best for you. Simply preset the time and perfectly plan your meal in advance. The large capacity gives you plenty of space with a 69-litre fan oven and a 36-litre conventional oven, so you can enjoy the flexibility to cook large meals effortlessly. Great for when you have family and friends over. Get an efficient performance that helps to keep energy bills low with this Beko electric cooker and its A energy rating.